The other definition is closed set of metric space. A subset K of a metric space, subset K of metric space XD is called closed if K complement that is X minus K is open. In simple words, this set K is closed if its complement is open. To show that any set is closed set, we show that its complement is a open set. So this is the definition of a closed set. Now the theorem is in a metric space every closed ball is a closed set. That is, we have to show that if we take a closed ball, we show that this closed ball is a closed set. And you know that if we have to show any set is closed set, we show that its complement is open. So let's take a closed ball. We denote closed ball as a bar upon B with center at A and radius R. You know that this is the set of all elements of X whose distance from center less than or equal to R. This is the closed ball in metric space XD. We show that this closed ball is closed set. We have to show that this closed ball is closed set. For this, we show, as you know that if we show any set is closed, then we show that its complement is open. We show complement which is equal to X minus B of AR, that is X minus is open. We show that this set is open. To show this set is closed or this closed ball is closed set, we show that this is open. And you know that to show any set is open, we show that if we take any element from this set and draw open ball with center at this element, that element contained in this open ball. So let an element y belongs to X minus B A R, and if y belongs to this X minus this set, it means y does not belongs to this closed ball. So it means if this element does not belong to this set, it means distance between this element and this center, does not less than or equal to R. So it is greater than R, because if it is less than or equal to R, then this element belongs to this set. As this element does not belong to this set, it means this distance is greater than R. So it means this element, if we take this closed ball with center at R and fixed point A, and as distance as y does not belong to this set, it means this y is outside from this closed ball. It means distance of y and fixed point is greater than R. As you see that this distance from this and this is r, and distance of between these 2 points are greater than r. So let suppose r1 is equal to d of ay minus r, that is the new distance or the new radius we take as d of ay minus r. We claim that this open ball with center r1, as you know that we show that this is open, we take one element from this set and we draw open ball centered at this element of radius r1, and we have to show that this contained in x minus b of a r, this complement. For this we have to show that this set will contained in this. So let z belongs to b of y r1, so if z belong to this set, then it means distance of fixed point and z less than r1. Now using triangular inequality, by triangular inequality as d of ay less than or equal to d of az plus d of zy. This is the triangular inequality of between 2 point a to y, but we introduce any other point z between them. Triangular inequality. Now ay d of az, this element, we shift this for on this side and greater or equal to d of ay minus d of zy. We just shift this distance to other side and make it negative. Now greater or equal to or greater than, because as d of zy here, d of yz or d of zy less than or equal to less than r1, we put this value r1 instead of this value. So d of ay minus r1, so this side become greater. Now greater d of ay from this d of ay is equal to r1 plus r, put this value here, r1 plus r minus r1, and r1 and r1 are cancelled. So d of az greater than r, d of az greater than r. It means, as you know that if greater than r, then z does not belongs to closed ball with center a and radius r. As if z belong to this set, then this distance will be less than or equal to, as this distance is greater than r, it means z does not belong to this. If z does not belong to this, so z belongs to x minus b ar. But z belongs to y r1, so this b y r1 contained in X minus B closed ball with radius R. As you know that to show that any set is open set, we take any element from this set and draw open ball and show that this open ball also contained in this set. So X minus B of AR is open and consequently BAR is closed. If this complement is open, then this set is closed. So every closed ball in metric space is closed set.